guys again, we are back with a new video, and guess what, today is a curiosity day. That means in front of me I have this Parkside Performance Cordless hammer drill, and I'm wondering how it looks inside. They say that they have a brushless motor inside. Yes, I believe them, I have tested, you can see the video right in the corner, and I'm wondering how it looks inside. Well, to do that we need to take this out. No longer need, of course, take out the battery, huge battery. Let's turn it around. We can see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 screws. Well, let's take them out. Well, there we are. Take all the screws out. Let's remove the cap, plastic from here. Oh, you can see the motor. Okay, just remove the internal. Well, we've got the on-off switch, you can see, the left and right unlock, goes here to this board. You can see this board. It is quite nice manufactured with the LED capacitor and the speed control. As here we've got a rubber, sealing rubber, prevents any dust to come inside. Now let's take in the motor. You can see, oh, nice manufacture, I can say. Let's wear gloves. We have some residue here helping to work better. This is all the part of the motor. With these two screws we can take it out, but you can see how small is the motor because it's a brushless. Well, inside I don't see any carbs. That means definitely it's a brushless motor. You can see for yourself. We can take, of course, these three screws and another screw here and disassemble it all, but it will be too bad to destroy it. I'm sure it will be difficult then to assemble it. I'm sure you have get the idea how it looks inside. And let's take a look in here. And here you can change. But it will be better to leave it here until we are going to assemble it. Well, that was all about how it looks, this professional cordless hammer drill. If someone was so curious to see the internal, I think now I have solved the mystery. Well, let's assemble it. let's take the battery in. Nice. And this, don't forget on that. And guys, that was all about the disassemble of this cordless hammer drill. I hope you liked the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like it, like my video is your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.